We're at Jack in the Box.
And we're very bad.
And we're gonna go stay at a hotel. We went and saw Kevin Fowler.
But also, more importantly, he ended the whole night with beer, bait, and ammo.
We're gonna have a picnic.
And yeah, we're gonna have a picnic. That's true. We are gonna do
If we can get into this hotel room, we'll see.
I will say, this Pampleberry is very good.
Cool. We're going to the old Spring Hill Suites. Should we trust that we got everything? Or should I check it?
No, don't be that guy.
Time to mask up.
No, we gotta mask up. Children.
Why do you have it on like that?
What? What do you mean? What are you talking about?
We made it. Time to go check out the old room.
Thank God. There's 2 beds.
So it's only 10:30. I'm over here thinking it was like, I thought it was like, no, I thought it was at least midnight. Late night dinner.
Oh, come on. Yeah, yeah.
I just want to ride the elevator, dude, honestly.
No, dude, that's okay. You can come ride the elevator. He's gonna come through. He's got nowhere else to go. Poor guy.
Zach, it's all flats. What are you doing? Ah, the placemat. The tablecloth.
Baby, you didn't
No!
put the tablecloth down.
This is almost as romantic as date night. Ew! Ah! Zach gets to sleep in our food bed though.
Okay. I'm okay with that.
Goodbye. You know, I've seen John Wayne before.
What? Dude?
Goodbye, buddy.
You sound like you're broken right now, man.
Dude, yeah.
What is wrong with you? Zach, if you ever watch this, we logged out of your Netflix at the hotel room. Ah!
Grab your things, love. Come on.
Zach made a guest appearance here for about what? He lasted an hour?
About an hour.
Left all his stuff.
We turned on the Netflix, so.
Yeah, he turned on the Netflix, so I'm not mad. We survived the night.
Oh man, it opened back up. It's gonna be a Jedi.
Now we can get a postcard.
A Seabrook postcard. I'm blind. I'm blind!
Oh, do you need the instructions?
I sure do.
The whiskey cake. What are you gonna get?
First I'm gonna get a Bloody Mary. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Shit.
The moment of truth.
Spicy.
That's not spicy. Jiggly eggs, jiggly eggs.
Brunch was very good. Whiskey cake never fails.
But now I have a headache.
Come on.
Are you gonna make me caffeine?
I'll make you some caffeine. Wait up.
Thank you for the tea. So I can get caffeinated. Are you ready to give her medicine?
Yes.
Mittens is having some liver problems, so we have to give her medicine every day. And today's the first day of Jacob giving her her pills.
He's the syringe.
Ooh.
I know. Open up.
You gotta squeeze her cheeks. Okay.
Oh, she knocked it out of my hand.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, you do it.
You gotta hold this. Jacob's first attempt was definitely a fail. He's scared of her.
What did I do? I broke her trust.
Can you get up? I have The stalker. She's having flashbacks. Can you tell everyone you love me? Thank you.